Today our topic is very special because today we are going to talk about a new AI tool named GigaChat. Today we will understand better about GigaChat and we will know whether GigaChat will be able to compete with Chat GPT. But first of all, if you are new to this channel, then you must subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications of new videos. Let us know what is GigaChat. Now the time has come for artificial intelligence and chatbot technology is increasingly being adopted by people all over the world. Russia's famous financial institution, Sberbank has launched its own chatbot named GigaChat to compete with Chat GPT, an AI tool based on this chatbot technology. The company says that GigaChat is better than Chat GPT because it has many features which are not there in Chat GPT. However, GigaChat has just been launched as a trial version. There is a delay in the arrival of GigaChat in India. Let us know how GigaChat is different and better than Chat GPT. To know this, first you have to know Chat GPT very well, only then we will be able to compare these two. Let's know about Chat GPT. Recently, the craze of chatbot technology has increased a lot all over the world and the reason behind this craze is an AI-based chatbot, Chat GPT, created by Microsoft-based startup OpenAI. You might be surprised to know that the craze of Chat GPT is so much that as soon as this AI chatbot was launched, it got 1 million users in just 5 days, which took Instagram 2.5 months and Facebook 10 months to gain. Let us know the reason for increasing the craze of Chat GPT. So friends, I would like to tell you that with the help of Chat GPT, you will get information about anything you want in the world, that too in minutes. With its help, you can generate coding, games, questions, new articles and many more. If we talk about ChatGPT's drawback, then Chat GPT has two biggest drawbacks which is enough to hold it back. The first is that we cannot generate very large articles in this because there is some limit of text in it. Its second biggest drawback is about its search time, that is, if you search for topics related to a current event, it will not provide you this data because it only has data feed till 2021 and the articles after that are found by Chat GPT. Cannot be done. Let us now know how GigaChat is different and better than Chat GPT. Friends, GigaChat has been created so that it can give a tough competition to Chat GPT. For this, GigaChat has a multimodal feature, due to which your text limit is over and you can write any article as big as you want. Apart from this, till now you could generate only text in Chat GPT, not images which would be possible in GigaChat. When you write a post with the help of GigaChat, it will provide you the according image of that post. So friends, as far as I think these features of GigaChat are enough to leave Chat GPT behind. So friends, I hope you have liked our today's technology-based video and if you want to see more videos like this, then you must subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications of our videos.